Ugandans, you must walk in forgiveness to see restoration over the nation in 2026. You must invite the Lord, the Holy Spirit, to do a work in your soul, your individual soul, okay? To begin to heal, to begin to wash your soul, and to begin to mend your soul and bring it back to wholeness, so that the nation can be restored to wholeness. A lot of us are holding very heavy grudges, hatred, unforgiveness, anger, bitterness, okay? The Lord sees that, and the Lord grieves with you, okay? However, the Lord will not bypass the unforgiveness that you carry to restore your nation. You must surrender that unforgiveness to the Holy Spirit. Allow Him, you must allow Him to come in and heal, mend, and restore your soul, your individual soul, so that the nation can be restored in 2026.